Hello backers, this is the Predominant print-in-place Isopod. It is fully print-in-place, moves right off the build plate, easy to remove once printed, and all the joints can move here, and the head has a very nice 360 rotation capability, so do the joints, and very flexible, easy to print, belly semi-hollow, and like I said before, easy to remove. So yeah, that is the Predominant print-in-place Isopod. This particular model, it's printed in PLA and it printed pretty nicely. As you can see, there are some nice ridge details right here, and why I'm asking you to back this is because I would like to print more of these for world domination, you know. I need to spread my people across the galaxy, and that is why I'm enslaving this puppet before you to dominate the whole galaxy. I need to spread my peoples to as many 3D printers as possible. If that makes sense, I will have my kind everywhere, and everywhere, on every desktop, on every shelf, in every environment. I am the Predominant Isopod, and I am going to take over. I'm gonna take over as much as I can. Get off me! Stop it! I got this! I got this! I got this! You need my help? No, I don't. I never needed your help, and I never needed you in the first place. I never agreed to this commercial. I just want to spread my people everywhere. Bzzz.